If you're a digital creator, this will be one of the best videos you will ever come across, I promise you. A lot of us have always struggled with converting our landscape video, the long form video, into a portrait size for YouTube Shorts, and converting the portrait size into landscape video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your landscape video into a portrait size and your portrait video into a landscape video using Capcut. So let's dive right into it. So first of all, I'm going to import my landscape video into Capcut as a new project. Then I'm going to highlight it on the timeline like this. Then I'm going to scroll down to auto reframe. Click on auto reframe. Then, since I'm converting it into a portrait size, I'm going to click on 9:16. Then I'll click on image stabilization and pick stable. Then the camera moving speed, I'm going to leave it at normal. Then I'll click on OK. So when you click on OK, it's going to take a few seconds for the effect to take place. Then after that, you can see that the video is still in the landscape size. So we are going to go to aspect ratio. You click on aspect ratio and pick 9:16. When you click 9:16, you click on OK. As you can see, the video is already in portrait size. It's as simple as that. So let me show you how you can convert your portrait size video into a landscape form.
So I made a landscape size empty scene video. So I'm going to import the landscape size empty scene video and the portrait size video into Capcut as a new project. So after importing both videos into Capcut as a new project, I scrolled down to the portrait size video, highlighted it and made it an overlay. So I clicked on overlay and drag it down to the beginning of the landscape video. So after that, I highlighted it and screwed down to remove BG. I clicked on it and removed the background from the portrait size video. So after removing the background, I adjusted the image to make it look like I am actually sitting on the chair. So as you can see, the empty scene video, which is the landscape video, was recorded with the chair, and it was the same chair I was sitting while recording the portrait size video. So you make sure when you are recording, make sure that you have a well lit environment so you get a good result.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you'll be the first to get more videos when we drop them. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section and we'll attend to them. See you in our next video.